What is up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Just in case you guys are new here and you don't know who I am, I'm KP. That's my RSX, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys the new wheel setup we're gonna be running on her. All right, so let's get today's video started, y'all.
Somehow I woke up out in Beverly, fucked up, smelling like that bourbon. I'm not certain. Yeah, the girls impolite in the club every night. That's how it goes when you Hollywood perfect.
Alright guys, so I know it's been a minute since I dropped the video. There are a lot of plans for the RSX. Obviously, the plan is to track her this season, this year, and it all starts with the wheel setup, which is what we're going to be doing today. If you guys haven't subscribed, subscribe to your boy. Show some love, show some support, guys. And yeah. So in case you guys were wondering, what I'm running right now is the NQ Radiance, wrapped around with some Firestone, Firehawk Indy 500 tires. Some of you keen observants, if you guys seen my last video, these are new wheels that I'm running here. Last year I was running the replica CE28 rims, and I got these for this year, but they're 18s, and I really want to downsize to the 17s, so this is why we're getting a new wheel setup today. Alright, so now that I've explained myself, what do you guys say we head back to the shop so we can reveal the new wheel setup? Let's go. Alright, now before I reveal the wheels, I gotta say your boy just dropped his clothing brand, Hopper brand. Thank you very much. Visit the website, guys. Cop something if you want to show some support, some love. Just check out the website. You know, this is the Heartbroken tee. I got some hoodies, I got some stickers. So if you guys can check that out, I'd greatly appreciate it. Alright guys, so here we go. So the new wheel setup, we're running on Lisa here. This is probably like the most bang for your buck. If you're on a budget, this is the setup you want to go with. Ready? Here we go. So these are the Superspeed wheels, RF06RR's, and we got Bridgestone Potenza tires. Let's show you guys what we got going on in this box. Alright, just to show you guys what we're dealing with here. These are so beautiful. So like I said, these are the RF06RR's. Look at that. These are satin bronze. I got these in the 17 by 8 with a 35 offset. You guys can get a closer look. So as you can see here, flow forming, Superspeed. Man, these are so beautiful. I'm so amped for these. So you guys can see a better view. She is light. Look at that, guys. It's gorgeous. Holy. The amount of detail that went into these wheels, wow. Now, honestly, they're not bad weight. The Superspeed website doesn't have the listed weight of the 17s. The 18s that they do have are listed at 18.9 pounds. So it's safe to assume this is anywhere between 17 to 18 pounds, which is a very good weight. Oh my God, it's really light. Wow. All right. Now, just in case you guys are wondering, why did I go with this kind of a setup, Superspeed wheels with the Bridgestone Potenza tires? The reason being is that my whole build has been like a budget build. On the market today, these Superspeed wheels, in terms of flow form wheels on the market, these are the best value for your money. And I haven't even tried them on yet. Based on just looking at the rims, the amount of detail they put into it, wow. Now for tires, why I went with the Bridgestone Potenza tires, these are my favorite tires, and although this is a budget build, there's quite a few tires to choose from. We are hitting the track. That's the plan, guys. The plan is to hit the track this season. And when it comes to being on the track, you want to be as safe as possible. Your tires are the 4 things making contact with the ground. All right. So now that you guys got to see the new wheel setup, what do you say we go get these wheels mounted and put on Lisa? All right. All right, guys. So we made it here at the shop. We are at SFG Autohaus, my go-to shop for all my automotive needs. We're gonna be doing the mounting and balancing of the wheels here. Let's get it started, guys. Alright guys, so we made it to the end of today's video, but before I end today's video, I do have a little bit of a last install to do on the wheels. We got some Lost Royalty goodies here. I waited so long for these. I've always wanted these. So we got the steering wheel screws, and then we got the titanium valve stems. So obviously we're gonna be doing the valve stems on right now on our new wheel setup. We're gonna be saving this for another video. A little teaser is we're gonna be doing a refresh on the whole interior of Lisa here. So stay tuned for that video, guys. Let's install these new hardware on our wheels. Alright guys, so before we go, I gotta give a huge shout out to Ernie at Superspeed Wheels. Thank you so much for hooking me up. Sam at Nextmod for hooking me up with the tires, and the boys at SFG Autohaus, Nelson and Kevin, thank you so much for helping me get the wheels set up. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think. Do you guys prefer the in-case? Do you guys like the super speeds? Let me know. You know, and also I just gotta say a big thank you to everyone that's subscribed, that watches the videos, that shows some support and love. We hit 130 subs, guys. Thank you so much. It means the world to me. I never thought I'd hit 100. I know it's not a big deal, but to me it is. 100 subscribers, you know what's up. Anyways guys, don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment down below, hit that subscribe button guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.